sounds so good.
And corn and all that stuff.
I didn't eat lunch either.
Neither did Lorelai, I heard.
I sure did. Play about that nasty ass food they gave me.
There's Ryan.
We're in the cafeteria! Here, look.
There's, I don't know,
Go inside.
who's over there. And there's just,
It looks like a lot.
I don't know what that is. There's just the lake. Okay.
Louder too, because it's.
Welcome back to Lake Math. Oh my god, I can't even see what's going on in there. Alright, welcome back to Lake Math. Today we're going to do homemade mac and cheese. I'm going to do 2 pounds, but you could do 1 pound easy, so you need one of these. Always butter. Pound that. Basically we make Alfredo sauce and then throw a ton of cheese in it. So our cheese is, I've got 6 of these, which is kind of over. You don't really need that much cheese.
We know we need that much cheese.
You know, we always need to go the extra mile on the cheese. Alright, so first, let's get our bacon started. This will take the longest. Oh no, we want to get green onions first. Alright, fill our pot with water. So glad I don't have a mask like the last cooking video. Man, that's terrible. Alright, we got a pot full of water. Alright, let's stop. Okay, we got our water going. We're gonna wait till it actually hits boiling before we actually throw our noodles in. We're gonna use all of these sticks of butter because that's just how we roll. We got a colander for later. For our sauce, basically, I've got a whole video on Alfredo sauce, but basically 1 stick of butter, 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, mix it in with cornstarch. The cornstarch needs to be in water and mixed up beforehand so that it doesn't clump up. So we're going to put butter flap. Doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, there we go. We don't want butter wrapper in our food. It's nowhere near as tasty as butter. I'm not sure what the nutritional content of the butter flap is, but I don't think we need to know. Alright, so we got our 2 sticks in. We're going to put 2 of these pints of heavy whipping cream in. We are not using the skim milk because we are not trying to be skinny. We're trying to be skinny. We don't need cooking videos on how to eat poorly and be malnourished. I'm not trying to live forever. Alright, so 1 pint, 1 stick. But I'm doing 2 pounds, so I did doubled up on all that. So we got that. That is ready to roll. We're going to put this up front because you got to stir the sauce a whole lot. Today we have a vegetarian who will be joining us. So while we're going to do 3 pounds of bacon on this thing, we're not going to put it directly on all of it. And I've got 2 separate spatulas.
A vegetarian.
This particular vegetarian, I don't know if they care that much, but a lot of vegetarians, you keep the meat and the spatulas completely separate.
Who said we was gonna share with him? I don't remember saying.
Chop some green onions.
I'm trying to record. You wanna record? No. Okay, John.
Green onions make everything better. Unless you're Jessica and then she hates them for reasons we don't understand. She doesn't like all kinds of weird food. What's wrong with green onions? Why do you think they're so gross?
They're nasty.
Oh, they're nasty.
They're nasty.
I mean, they barely even have any flavor anyway.
Ooh, I can already smell it. Oh my god.
Can y'all hand me a spare plate? Oops. Just throwing shit around. My wife has told me that these little
Love the smell of onions.
rooty white things at the bottom are like super good for you in some kind of weird way in Chinese medicine, but I'm not Chinese and I don't understand their medicine, so we're just gonna skip eating those. Watch that be enough for me to get flagged for racism on YouTube or something.
Who said you don't like our medicine?
That video where in the background I had the music playing and I was like, they're probably gonna flag me for this. They totally flagged me for that.
They did?
Everything now is going to be offensive to everyone.
Yeah. Us complaining about YouTube policies probably gets us flagged for different reasons. There we go, that's enough green onion. Awesome. Alright, I want to get my bacon started. Bacon takes forever compared to the sauce.
Can I have a bacon? I need to put one in the macaroni and cheese. There's a lot of bacon.
Yeah, 2 pounds of noodles and 3 pounds of bacon. We gotta keep our ratios right.
I love bacon.
Just like we got way more cheese than we have noodle, we got way more bacon than we have noodle. That is
These
not an
expand,
accident.
don't they?
Yes, they do. Struggling to open the package. Very smooth.
That's a lot of bacon.
Just never too much bacon.
So much good.
Bacon makes everything better. Butter makes everything better. This dish
Butter
is mostly bacon and butter. The noodles are just there, you know, something to hold it all together, I guess. All right. I'm gonna separate bacon so it comes better. They have real dish soap, and not like the super cheap dish soap. But we're in a school, so what do you think? Is this the dish soap that actually takes bacon off?
I like bacon.
Well, we got 2 pounds of macaroni and 3 pounds of bacon, and
A bunch of cheese.
lots of cheese.
What are you making?
Homemade bacon mac. From scratch mac and cheese with the bacon.
What do you do? An alien?
We tried to be an alien, but oh my god, it's hard to cook in that thing. As far as our cheeses go, I like to get random stuff, so I definitely get the cheddar so that it looks like the right color for macaroni. But I also get some of these blends, so like I got the Monterey Jack with jalapeno and some Italian blend, and usually I'd also throw like a Mexican blend or something in there too, just for the fun of it. But I was in a hurry because I had to go pick up my kids, so that's the handful of cheese that I picked. Alright, bacon, more bacon,
That's a lot of bacon.
a lot of bacon. We're only 2/3 of the way done.
How are you feeling about this bacon?
Another slab of bacon.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
I'm loving the bacon.
Can we just fast forward this?
So this is probably the new trendy diet, you know. It's mostly fried stuff with gravy.
Could you live off bacon?
Too much bacon.
I think so.
Too much butter. We got, you know, into heavy whipping cream. Basically, I looked up the formula for the teacher retirement.